buy a condo without knowing this hidden charges. So let's talk about the real cost of owning a condo. These are not exactly hidden because they're actually required fees. Pero kapag ito hindi binanggit ng agent mo, magiging hidden charges na siya. So ano nga ba ang mga kailangan bayaran bukod sa monthly amortization here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas? Number 1 is yung condo dues. Ito yung ginagamit for maintenance and security. Kasama na dito ang garbage collection, repairs, and improvement of the building to maintain the quality of the property. Condo dues vary depending on the developer, pero dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, it's only 55 pesos per square meter. So kung kukuha ka ng 2-bedroom unit na 30.6 square meter, your monthly condo dues would be around 1,683 pesos only. Number 2, insurances. Usually kasama dito ang fire insurance at mortgage redemption insurance. For example, if you get 2-bedroom here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas with a monthly amortization of 19,000 monthly, expect an additional 1,000 plus for insurance. So exact amount depends on unit size and financing. So don't worry, the final computation will be presented to you before the reservation. Number 3, real property tax or kung tawagin natin ay amilyar. So this is a local government tax required for all properties including condos. So check with your LGU dahil may mga discounts sila if you pay early. So sayang din if you miss that. So number 4, move-in fee. As the name suggests, kailangan ito bago makalipat. This covers the installation of water and electricity, so ready na ang unit mo paglipat mo. Dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, the move-in fee is only around 11,000 pesos. So that's it for the hidden charges. If you're interested in getting a unit here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas, just message me for a sample computation. Or you can also watch my video explaining the full breakdown. I'll drop the link in the comment section or you can visit my page. And take note, 10,000 lang po ang kailangan natin to reserve a unit here at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. Yes, 10,000 lang po ang initial cash out plus complete requirements. Pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sarili mong condo. So, ayan na, alam mo na, message mo na ako. And again, this is Marinette. See you!